I've been using Amplenote for years, and let me give you 10 reasons why you should give it a try too. I think it's criminally underexposed. Alright, by far the biggest reason why I love this app is that it's all-in-one. I can take notes, manage tasks, organize my calendar seamlessly and better than any other apps that I know. You can really sort of get in the flow in this app because it doesn't have the distraction switching between one app for notes, another app for tasks, another for calendar. So for example, whenever I get a new idea or have something to remember, I can write it down in the daily note. And sometimes it's something that I have to do, so I can just create a new task for it. Then when I want to make a plan for the day or the week, I switch to the calendar mode to see the tasks I have and then schedule them. My Amplenote calendar is synced with my Google and Outlook calendars, so I can see my personal and work schedule as well. They are all color-coded, which makes it really easy to see at a glance. This whole process is essential to my daily life. Most of the all-in-one apps tend to be slow, but Amplenote is quite fast. It doesn't matter whether you are on your phone or laptop, the workflow is so smooth and effortless. I use Amplenote mostly as my task and calendar app, but it's actually a great note-taking app. You can link notes and ideas using bidirectional links, which feels like building your own Wikipedia. The sidebar is useful when you want to see different notes at the same time. And of course, it offers a wide range of formatting options, but something that I love and think it's super unique is rich footnote. You can add an extra layer or text, image, video, and so on to any text or image. It sounds confusing, but it's very, very useful. You can simply highlight a text or image and hit Command K to add new information about it. It can be simple text, but also a screenshot, YouTube video, tweet, or even Google Sheet. This feature adds more depth to your writing while simplifying it at the same time. They call it writing in 3D. It's even more useful for tasks because you can attach a visual or link which help you remember the context. Also this way, the task list takes up only a small amount of space. And once you finish taking notes, you can easily share it with other people with just a few clicks. I love this because you can also share to-do list. So sometimes I make a list of groceries and share with my family. This fast and easy sharing of to-do list, notes or projects with anyone who's not even using Amplenote is amazing. Alright, some people love using tables to organize information. I don't use it often to be honest, but you can easily make one inside a note. It's great because you can easily modify the table without leaving your keyboard, but if you do, you got all kinds of color and alignment options. Similar to Excel and Google Sheet, it's possible to apply sort and use formulas to do some calculations such as sum, mean, and median. Not many note or task apps have a table as polished as this one, or have it at all to begin with. There are lots of use cases for this. Some people use it to organize team resources and things. Other people use it for planning a trip. Okay, I love when I can customize an app to my liking. Recently, Amplenote released a bunch of new plugins, so anybody can upgrade and customize your app. For example, I love this AI plugin that lets you use GPT-4 inside Amplenote. Now I can let AI improve my writing or brainstorm ideas together. A low-key useful one is Thesaurus plugin, which is context-aware, so it can show you the synonyms for a word that fit perfectly in the sentence. Another plugin that I love is the Readwise sync. It imports all the highlights from books and articles you read from Readwise. If you love taking notes, this is a must-have plugin. They're adding new ones, but also looking for people to build plugins. Apparently, anybody who built new plugins users want will get a handsome cash reward. So if you are interested in earning some money, you should check it out. Their plugins are fairly easy to make, even for people without coding experience. Speaking of customization, they offer a wide range of themes to choose from. It might not be important for some people, but it's nice to change the look of your workspace every now and then. I love automating my workflow because it saves tons of time. Amplenote can work with different softwares and it's perfect for automation. For example, I made this automation where whenever I start an email in Gmail, a new task is created in Amplenote. This way I can always see the important emails I need to reply to on my task list. Then I can schedule the tasks, so I will definitely have time for them. I've always had this problem of forgetting to reply to people, but this system solved it. I put a link to this automation in the description if you want to try it out. There's a lot of other options too, so you should explore it yourself. Mobile widgets are one of the latest additions to the app. I've been waiting for it for a long time because I think it's crucial, especially for managing tasks. It's very convenient to be able to see the list of things you need to do right on your home screen without opening the app. Also, it's great to have quick access to each mode in Amplenote, Jot, Task, and Calendar, as well as quick search and quick add. Speed is the key when you're on the go, so this is a huge update. They have 3 or 4 types of widgets on iOS, Android, and iPad. Alright, another factor that makes Amplenote unique is its task score. It's been a core feature of the app since the beginning. It's essentially an algorithm that rates the tasks you created based on the variables such as how many times you see the task, priority, and urgency, and then it reorders the tasks based on the score. This means you always see the most important or urgent tasks on the top of your list. I find this very helpful because it saves lots of time to find the right task every day because it does it for you. Alright, an important feature that I use often is AmpleCap. It's a browser extension that allows you to quickly capture information from web pages and add it to your notes. For instance, you can take a screenshot of a web page and then attach it to your note or task. This is great for adding extra information for your to-dos because it helps the future you remember the context. But also you can clip the whole web page if you want to save it for later. I like how it captures the web page with URL and timestamps along with your thoughts or comments, everything in one go. But that's not all. AmpleCap also works as a quick add, so I changed its keyboard shortcut so it opens when I press Option Space. It's amazing because you can use it on anywhere on your computer, even outside of your browser. Then quickly write down your idea or a task to save it. I probably use this feature like a dozen times a day. Finally, for a tool that you use every day for a very long time, it's important that it's affordable. What I really like is that most of its core features are completely free. You can upgrade to the premium version if you want to unlock a few extra features such as the themes and note sharing, but for most people, it will be enough to have the free version. I know there are more customizable apps out there, but Amplenote has the best balance of features right out of the box. There's no need for you to watch hours of tutorials and spend hours tweaking the settings to make it work, which is what I did with other apps. And I hated that I was spending more time trying to build the perfect system instead of actually doing the work that mattered. Anyway, if you're still looking for a to-do or planner app, you should check out my to-do app comparison video. You might find what you're looking for. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!